1.4 says, interpret your answer to question 1.3. 1.3 said, write down the correlation coefficient for the data. So how do we interpret the correlation coefficient value of 0.98? Now, on a scale of the correlation coefficient, we have 0 in the middle, and we have 1 over here. So we also have -1 over here. Now, the correlation coefficient can be any value within this. This, if it's very close to 1, that means it will be a very strong positive correlation. If it was negative or very close to -1, it would be a very strong negative correlation. If it's somewhere in the middle, it's a weak positive correlation. And if it's closer to 0, then it's close to no correlation at all, or a very weak correlation, positive correlation. So in this case, our answer would be somewhere over here, which would warrant a very strong correlation, very strong positive correlation. Which in other words means that the longer he travels, or the longer the distance traveled, the more the time of rest will be. So they have a strong correlation with each other.